A road is to be built, cutting through a hillside as shown. So they're going to cut through that so that the side view looks like this. The width of the cutting is 80 meters, which means from where the hill starts to where it finishes 80 meters. And it has a depth of 50 meters. Now depth means into the hill. So this hill will probably be going into that direction, which means 50 meters into the thing we have to calculate it. The measurement of the height of the cutting is taken every 10 meters. So every 10 meters they calculate what is the height at that point. It's taken every 10 meters. It'll give us a table when I calculate the meter. So you can see at the highest point at 4 meters there, the highest point, the height is 6 meters. So 6 meters happens around about here, where the height is 6 meters that they have to cut. Calculate the volume in cubic meters of rock that is to be removed to build the cutting. So we're going to use Simpson's law to calculate this. Just want to move it up, make it a little bit smaller if I can, so we have space to work. So Simpson's law, to find a volume, all what we're going to do now is first we need to calculate what is this cross-sectional area over here. So this cross-sectional area is what we're going to use Simpson's law to calculate. Okay, and first thing that we need to find out is what is the width. The width, we're going to use the formula or the area. So we're going to say area equals, and we use Simpson's law, the width divided by 3 multiplied by the first plus the last reading plus 4 times all the odd readings, all the odd ones, 1 y1 plus y3 plus ... plus 2 times all the even ones, so that's y2 plus y4 plus ... So that's what we're going to do. But we first have to find the width. Now in this case, it's very easy to see the width because it's every 10 meters. If you look at that, the last reading is at 80, take away the first one, it's at 0, and 80 take away 0 is 80, divided by 8, because there's 8 strips, gives us 10 meters. But you can see that the horizontal distance is every 10 meters. So width equals 10. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to say the area therefore equals 10 divided by 3. And I'm just going to use my readings, what I have already here. The first one is 0, plus the last one is 0, plus 4 times. Now we already used reading 1, so we're going to use the reading 2, which is 2, so that's the first reading after that one. So it's going to be 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2.5 plus 2 times, if that's the first, then that's the second, which is 4.5, and then every second one, plus 5 plus 3, and that's it. If I calculate that, multiplied by 10, my answer divided by 3, my answer is 276.7 meters squared. So just back to our sketch, that will be the cross section there. Now that square meters will then be going for 50 meters in there. So I'm just going to move everything up so we have space. I'm going to say then the volume equals the area times, now usually that's the height, so it's the height that actually goes into the board. So it's 276.7 times the width it goes in times 50, and then my answer is 13835, and that's meters cube. So that's the volume of rock that needs to be removed.